Investing in high-quality tools is very important, but to take maximum advantage of the performance of the tooling, they need high-quality installation. Atlas Copco's certified technicians ensure that wherever our customers are located in the world, we provide this. We ensure that your system hardware is set up in the optimal way. This includes correct cable management, installing the latest firmware, performing network configuration, and synchronizing different systems. All tasks are carried out in close cooperation with the customer, and an installation report will be created. With more than 400 certified field technicians globally, Atlas Copco makes sure that customers get the best possible support during the installation phase.